नमस्कार, मैं स्वप्निल तामनकर and welcome to Marine Geek YouTube channel. So let's begin with the first frequently asked question. SID or BSID, Biometric Seafarer's Identity Document. From 27th April, this particular SID's KYC has been discontinued from 27th April. The circular is out. I have put that particular circular, it is given in the description of this video. Please do check that out. It is clearly mentioned that the persons who have paid, you don't have to pay again. Okay, the system will take care of you. The future appointment dates will be given to you. The appointments for Brazil and UK are going on, but the normal appointments for doing your SID has been currently stopped till further orders. So there is no particular date when this particular SID appointments is going to start. So there was a query regarding this particular COC correction sticker as per STCW 2010 for pasting in additional pages, and this particular FAQ is related to this particular. So what happens when we click on, so this is the PDF file. You have to take the printout with endorsed number on the top, and it says that this particular certificate is in accordance with regulation paragraph 11. So what was even the point of making this particular certificate to be downloaded through your endorsed profile is that the older COCs which were printed had this printing mistake on page number 1, as you can see from my COC. And in this particular instance, it is clearly mentioned that the original of this certificate must be kept available with the regulation paragraph 9. So after that, they understood that it is not paragraph 9 of the convention, but it is actually paragraph 11. So now you cannot change the COC, and hence a sticker will do the needful, that instead of paragraph 9, this particular paragraph has to be read as per paragraph 11, and hence that sticker has to be there in your COC. The USA had given a proclamation by the President of USA that non-US citizens will be banned from coming to US from anywhere out of USA, and there were many queries whether the travel ban is applicable to seafarers or not. So I'm not going into very much detail. This particular channel is with respect to mariners, and I will be restricting myself to the details what I have found out from the proclamation, that this particular travel ban is not applicable for seafarers who are the visa holders of type C1/D. I hope you would have liked this particular type of video where I am discussing face to face with all of my research material, such that I can give you a proper answer to the frequently asked questions. And this particular frequently asked questions and its queries and its answer is going to be helpful for all of the fellow mariners and Indian seafarers in general. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay safe, stay secure. Thank you very much.